In this video, we're going to talk about the protection capabilities of the 8800. Now this is a dual output or dual phase device, so I'm just going to show one channel because whatever happens for this is applicable for both of them. The device is very comprehensive and there's a range of protection options. So as you walk through the schematic, we can talk about each and every settings that can be individually adjusted through the PM bus interface. So as we look at the input, the device monitors the input current, but then we also have the ability to monitor the input voltage and set alarms, whether it's over voltage or an under voltage event, and then stop the device from reacting negatively in those situations. Another possibility is on the output voltage. This is constantly monitored and we have very fast volt responses for over voltage and under voltage events. For current, it's the same thing. The output current can be constantly monitored by looking at the DCR inductor current, and then we can respond to either overcurrent events or also undercurrent events. So in that case, you can set up the device so if there's ever negative current that could occur in some applications, you can set either levels very far below ground or below 0 amps, I should say, or you can have it at 0 amps to prevent negative current from occurring. All these settings feed back in the device, and you've got a couple ways of monitoring the status. There is a power grid pin, which will always alert you whether the output voltage is in regulation or not. The other way you have to monitor the device is through the PM bus interface. And this is essentially an SM bus interface or I2C with the PM bus commands. This gives you the ability to read the status at all times of all these parameters, find out whether a fault has occurred, and there's also a snapshot tool built into the device, which is essentially like a black box capability. If there's ever a fault, the device will set the flag and alert you, and you can go in and query to find out exactly what fault occurred. So maybe during qualification, there was an over voltage event that occurred on the output. You can go back in after days later and look to see what that last fault was, so you can go back and find root cause. In the subsequent videos, we'll go through each one of these faults in detail and look at how to set them up.